Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to activate make to order in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition which I have installed in my local instance. So you all know what is the functionality of make to order. So make to order will help us to automatically generate a purchase order or a manufacturing order from a sale order. So I think you will know that. So let's see how we can activate make to order in Odoo version 14. So make to order is a type of a route. So first of all, in this database I will be activating the routing. So I'll be going into the inventory, and if I go to the configuration, then to the settings, and if I scroll down, you will be seeing an option called multi-step routes. So here you can see there is an option to activate multi-step routes. So I'll be just enabling this in the database, and I'll be clicking on the save button. So once after the multi-step route is enabled, you will be getting an option called routes. So here you can see we have the option of buy, receive and deliver. So in the previous versions like Odoo 13, Odoo 12 and below, you will have MTO by default here, but in Odoo version 14 it has been removed. No, it has not been removed, but it is there inside the archived. So if you filter archived, you can see replenish on order MTO. So it has been by default archived. So if you need that, you have to activate it from the roads. So what I will do, I'll be clicking on selecting this. So first of all, by coming into here, from here roads, and you have to filter archived records, select the records action button and unarchive it. So this has to be done, then only you will be getting MTO. So just activate multi steps in the database. For that you can go to the configuration setting, enable multi-step roles, and come to the roads menu. Just filter archived records and unarchive it. So once it is done, you will have the option of MTO. So right now if you go to the products, and if you create a new product, so I'll be creating a new product, and if you go to the inventory tab, you will be seeing replenish on order MTO. So you can just select these routes here, and if you go to general information, it's a storable product. So right now I'll be showing what is make to order. So you know that, but still I will show you. So before going into that, I'll be telling the reason why Odoo has been deactivated the MTO. So Odoo saying that it has been by default kept archived in order to promote the usage of reordering rules. So just Odoo needs to make or more users to use reordering rules instead of using make to order. That's why it has been archived. So let's see what's the use of MTO. So right now I'll be going into the sales, and I'll be trying to create a sale order for the same product that I have created now, that is product. And here you can see the quantity is 1, unit price is there, and if I click on save button, so as I have installed Indian localization, I have to select the GS3 treatment, and once I confirm it, it will be there is no matching vendor. So yeah, there is a thing I haven't defined the vendor inside the product. So I'll be opening the product and I'll be setting a vendor. So if you need to generate a purchase order automatically, you have to set the vendor. So I'll be choosing the vendor here, and I'll be going back to the quotation. This is the last quotation that I have created, and if I click on confirm button, you can see the purchase order has been automatically generated. So this is the use of MTO route. It will be automatically creating purchase order or manufacturing order based on the configuration that we have done. So right now the purchase order is generated as we have ticked the buy route inside the product. So if I have duplicated this tab, and if I go to the product, and if I search for the same product, you can see I have ticked buy. That's why the purchase order has been generated. If you have installed manufacturing order, you will have a route of manufacturing order here, and if you have ticked that one, instead of creating a purchase order, it will creating a manufacturing order. So the idea of the video is that how to show you how to activate MTO in Odoo version 14. So simply you have to go to inventory, go to configuration settings, and scroll down and enable multi-steps routes in your database. Come here and filter archived record, then you will get replenish or order MTO. So this is how you can activate MTO in Odoo version 14. So if you have any comments, don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.